Hello, this is Cassie Forcellini. I'm doing the Screencast. And so I'm going to teach you guys how to use a database. So you go to the shortcuts, and I have the library on here. So we'll head that way. And then we have Browse Databases. And we're going to go to one of my favorite that I used for high school too. So it's very useful. And it has some of the best resources that I really like. So it's EBSCOhost. So we'll click on that real fast. So there's a lot that you can choose from. There's a wide variety. And it kind of gives you a broad list to choose from. And so like when you're going through it for research or whatever, I kind of like going through all of them. So you can select all of them, and then you can go through all of them. So you have a lot to choose from and pick which one you could use for your research. So there's that. And so we'll go continue. Oh shoot, just kidding. Now we'll go continue. So I'm gonna do So I'm going to be doing World War I. Here we go. And so I'm going to choose violence. And my second word, and bunkers. Okay, search. Okay, so actually I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna do violence and crime. Okay, so now we have a lot more to search from. So there's 222 instead of the bunkers one. That was 2. So we're gonna use this, and so there's a lot of ebooks, journals, videos, books, and I kind of just like using ebooks because I think it's a lot easier. So we'll just go to this one. Okay, so it kind of gives you the whole rundown for it. There's the authors, publication, resource type, and I like it about like the description because you can see if it would be resourceful to use when you're looking at it, and if it's like worth your time to even look through the book and use it. And then there's a lot of this stuff, and then pages, and then so there's a lot of table of contents, and so you can use that to go through, and like if you want it more specific or whatever, you can go in there. And so I like this, and it's like the tools, and so you can cite it. It like will cite it for you. And like a lot of times you have to like go through and search on Google for a citation thing, but this makes it a lot easier, and it's already there for you. And it has like APA and like the different types of citations that you might need. So yeah, that's what I really like about it. And I think it's just nice because it gives you a really wide variety of what you could choose from. So that's my screencast. Thank you.